Hey guys, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com and theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Keep your questions coming in, they are good. Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com. I'm also on all the social networks. Today's video is going to be about startup costs in clinical research. So let's say you want to start, like many people are these days. I'm actually surprised by how many people are wanting to know more about how to open up a new clinic or how much it costs to open up a new clinic. So I'm going to kind of break it down for you guys in this video. So let's start from the end and then we'll kind of work our way backwards. For the first 6 months of opening a research clinic, you're not going to see a dime of revenue. Okay, so you got to really make sure you account for that. Now, it's also important to know what you're going to need to spend in those first 6 months, okay? So in most places, of course, leases can vary from city to city. But in most places, let's take $3,000 as an average, okay? And then you have the option of doing most of the work yourself, so you don't need to hire a study coordinator, if you know what you're doing, okay? If not, then you don't have that option and you have to hire a study coordinator. So myself and my colleagues from my team, the Clinical Trials Guru, kind of broke it all down. For the first 6 months, you're gonna need $30,000 if you are gonna be doing most of the work, and possibly 50 to 60 if you're gonna be hiring just one competent study coordinator for that first 6 months. So this is important because that first 6 months is super important. You got to make sure that you're getting studies, first of all, immediately when you open. Which, by the way, if you don't have a study when you open, it's going to be more than 6 months. It's going to be 9 months, maybe even a year, depending on how long it takes you to get a study. If you need help with these kind of startup things, let me know. Give me a call or shoot me an email. Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com. I help sites all the time with getting started up. So that's basically the cost. It's going to be 30 grand for the first 6 months if you're going to be doing all the work. 50 to 60 if you're going to be hiring a study coordinator. And this includes all the equipment you need for your clinic. Just, of course, the bare bones equipment, certificates like CLIA waivers, IATA certifications for your staff, GCP training, weighing scales, exam tables, centrifuge, refrigerators, investigational product storage, the lease, of course the rent, the utilities, the internet, all that stuff's going to be around 30 grand for the first 6 months, and then 50 to 60 for the first 6 months if you need to hire a study coordinator. So hopefully this helps just make things a little easier for you guys figuring out or planning on starting your own research clinics. Again, I help companies with this kind of stuff all the time. Give me a call or email me, Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com, and take care.